Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Mitsubishi Lancer VR, stock reference number 3943. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2009. It has a 6B31, 3-litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 6B31, 3-litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand fog light, left surround, left hand fog light with surround. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Upper tailgate appears to have no damage. Lower tailgate also appears to have no damage. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar. It's got a factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, less neck. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door also has one small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, 4-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.